Hello, thanks for coming, thanks for dropping in. We're just going to run this diagnostic-y thing quickly on the 64 that I believe the SID chip is kaput on. I do not have the harness hooked up. Other things will show up bad, it runs through its things. This, even without the harness, does some good things. It does. Let's see what we have, or what it says. Because if we're going to try and show something that has some sound, this is not the machine to use. Sound test. And what do we hear? Absolutely nothing. There must be another 64 in here, because the one as I was testing that I see here, I'm pretty sure is the one. Yeah, it has a bad chip. I know I had another that I was using. Huh. Not that there's a shortage of 64s. I just don't know where it is. What have I done? I know I was using another. Well, there's one here. It's under a bunch of these discs that I want to look through. That has the top part of it, which will not help me very much. When it comes to trying to type things in. Okay, so, well, that was interesting. Okay, so I'm going to mark this machine as having a bad SID. And why do I know that? Because I hear nothing. And of course, SID chips are expensive. There are some now that are made. There's some that were made a while ago that didn't support the paddles, which of course, you know how many people use it. But now I suppose there's a new one that does support the paddles. All right, well, that's a quick look at this C64 diagnostic revision 586220. Thanks for coming. Stay tuned. Bye for now.